kindergarten friends. So we just had a video about how-to books, but I'm coming back because I wanted to tell you another secret. I wanted to tell you that just like how I told you there's a ton of different types of things to read, like true stories, pretend stories, poetry, how-to books, I wanted to tell you about some other books. I mean, not books, but some other things that people read. So these are some things that adults read. They read grocery lists and lists of different things. Like sometimes they even write to-do lists. They write and read to-do lists, grocery lists. They write and read letters. They write and read things on the internet. Like maybe if they have a question about something, they'll type it in Google and search it, and then they'll read the answer. And adults, they read emails and they write emails, and they read text messages and they write text messages, and they read instruction manuals. Like if they need to know how to put together a desk that they just bought, there'll usually be an instructional manual inside, and they'll take it out and they'll read how to put the desk together. So that's actually like a how-to text. And they read and write like recipes when they want to cook something. So there's so many things out there that adults read every day. And I wanted to remind you this. I wanted to tell you this on this little secret, because when you're reading how-to books and true stories and pretend stories and poetry, you're not only just reading for fun, because I mean, books are awesome and you're reading to enjoy them, but you're also growing your reading muscles stronger and stronger. That way, when you get older, you can read anything you want, because your reading muscles are so strong that you can just read everything. You can read anything you want anywhere. So keep on reading and don't give up. Use your persistence power. Even when it gets hard, even when you get tired, keep on reading.